Hey yo, how is it going? Namaste, how is it going YouTube? Welcome to my channel, your friend Charlie here in Pokhara to present you guys the most realistic and most authentic Nepali life. And I'm here in the country, Nepal. Has been here for almost 4 months. Actually, I'm here for exactly 4 months. And I'm gonna stay here for another month before I head over to Bangkok. And today we are here at the Pokhara area, which is the event called the Street Festival here at Lakeside area. And this is the episode 2 of tonight's video to present you guys the how this festival goes here in Pokhara. And in episode 1, we went through the Lakeside Road celebration plus the dancing. Namaste, how are you, my friend? Happy New Year, happy 2026.
Where are you from?
From China.
Oh,
from
China. Very nice country. We love China.
Yep, say hi to YouTube, please. Say hi to YouTube.
Best wishes.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, my friend. This hostel,
That's
my
your
hostel.
Your hostel, right?
Yeah,
What's the
hostel.
name? Can you introduce your hostel?
Yeah.
The name of your place?
Yeah, Sunakari hostel.
Sunakari.
Yeah, he's my friend. Come.
And
He's
that's
my
your
friend.
friend.
Yeah.
Yes, they are the most nice.
And,
they are really
so
nice place.
If you want,
nice,
you can
yes.
shoot my place tomorrow, and you can help me. My place also.
100%. I will hit you up, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Say.
Alright, no problem. See you later. Take care, guys. Yeah, that gentleman, he's really good marketing person. He knows the media, the influence of YouTube channel. And he's really happy YouTubers come to his place. Okay, yeah. Hello, Pokhara. Yeah, people are really nice enthusiasm. This is definitely one of the happiest festivals here in Pokhara. One thing I found about this city is people, even though they may not own that much compared to the Western world, but definitely they 100% they live a really happy life. Okay, here we're almost at the Xinguan supermarket. If I was right, that's where the festival ends. By the moment when we hit to Xinguan market, we can make a left turn to the lakeside area to see what's going on out there by walking across the Pokhara knockoff Disneyland. Even though it's called Disneyland, I don't think it has got any authorization from Disney. But we will see. Okay. How about we go across Disneyland and eat to the lakeside area to hang out down there for a little bit? What do you think? Any ideas? We can make a left turn either from Catwalk or Disneyland. Okay, here comes the normal Pokhara, which is the no traffic control area, which is what Pokhara normally looks like. We have been here for so long in Pokhara city alone. I have been here for 3 months, so basically like people knows me. Yeah, believe it or not, we got the Disneyland here in Pokhara, which has nothing to do with the California Disneyland. Seems like people are really happy enjoying this knockoff Disneyland with a really cheap price. Like $1 US, you can go for one single ride of any of the equipments. Pokhara Disneyland. Let's see if I can meet up my little buddy, Mr. Turkey. I was hanging out with Mr. Turkey earlier this afternoon. Somehow it seems like he's off of the day. He's off now. So might as well I can come back some other day to check out Mr. Turkey. And believe it or not, this is the knockoff Pokhara version, Nepali version of Disneyland. See the yellow tiny chini ticket office. That's the only ticket place in the whole so-called Disneyland. And this Disneyland has zero safety procedure. Basically, like you can go to anywhere and there's no seatbelt, there's no safety procedure. You can just walk straight into the platform. That has nobody on it. So they run the machine for nobody. Maybe somebody. I don't know. We will see. Anybody down there? Probably not. And check out this one. Same thing. Nobody is there. They're just burning out the electricity for no reason. Anyway. Namaste, how are you? Namaste. Huh? Welcome to Pokhara. Where are you guys from? Kathmandu. Pokhara is a really nice place. Hope you guys enjoy your visit. See you guys. Happy New Year. That's the roller coaster. Seems like it. And here is the one of the this is the W Ferris wheel. W Ferris wheel. Just check out how fast this machine is running. This is crazy. This is definitely one of the iconic landmark of Pokhara. Every single night basically you can see this equipment running from everywhere, most places of town. Believe it or not, it is running so fast and so scary. Check out all those people. They got freaked out. This is ridiculous. This is insane. And see, you see the pulley. The pulley running driven by the electric motor. And the motor is just on this foot. You just step here on the motor. This is superb. Anyway, see there's a great lineup on the other side of the Ferris wheel. Most cages they are occupied. Yep, everything is operated manually. Look at that gentleman, he's operating the gear bar. That's the Columbus. Unfortunately, my gimbal died on me. So basically now I'm doing the filming 100% manually. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching and hope you guys enjoy this video. I will charge up my gimbal plus camera later tonight and do another filming tomorrow night. And yeah, alright, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please consider like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't done it yet. Please also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the new video updates, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Okay, Happy New Year guys. Peace. Cheers.